pencil and a piece of paper, you can make a 10 frame. So I'm going to teach you a trick. That's right. I'm going to teach you a trick on how to make it. So give everybody a few seconds and then I will show you how to do it. Don't write on it yet, please. You're going to get a chance in a second. So even if you're allowed to annotate, don't do it just yet. And also, Almo, you don't have to write in the chat like that, do you? So let's go ahead and show you how to make a 10 frame. All right, Miss Cruz, what's your trick? Let's do it. First, you make a rectangle. Okay, everybody can make a rectangle. Then you slice it through the middle. Slice it through the middle. Then here comes the really important part. All right. A lot of kids make too many lines and then we end up with like a 30,000 chart or a 25 chart. We don't need that. We need a 10 frame. So we need to make sure we only have 10. So here's my trick. Draw a capital H in the middle. Right? Oh, look at that. It's an H. And then cut either side only one time. Once there and one time on the right-hand side. And you're done. You should have 5 spots on the top and 5 spots on the bottom. And we all know that 5 and 5 is 10, right? Right? Okay, so you just made a 10 frame. I'm going to show you one more time and then you are able to draw on my screen if you want to. Once again, it is a rectangle. Slice the sandwich through the middle. Draw a capital H right smack in the middle of it and then slice either side only one time. And you should have 10 spots. Try it, guys. You are more than welcome to draw on my whiteboard. Let's annotate. Yeah, show me how to make it. There goes Yeleni. Wow, great work, Yeleni. Do it again. Yes. Okay, so let's see. The steps were make a rectangle, slice it through the middle, make a capital H. Yeah, right there in the middle. And then slice one side one time and then go to the left side and slice it one time down the middle. If you slice too many times, you'll have too many spots. It'll be a 12 chart. We don't want that. We don't want a 12 frame. We want a 10 frame. Fabulous. You guys are learning. That capital H is the key. If you know how to make that H in the middle, you got it. Wow, that's so good, Yeleni. I love it. Olmo, what's up, honey?
We're gonna do a Kahoot or Nearpot.
A Kahoot as soon as we're done here, okay? So let's see, Jackson, you sliced it an extra time. And so we would just need to remove this last slice because it made you a 12 frame, right? So you made your capital H and then you sliced it once on the left and once on the right, but then you gave it an extra slice. Don't do that, okay? It's like a loaf of bread. We don't need to. Oh, that's perfect. Good work. Jackson, you rock. All right. We don't want an 8 frame. We don't want a 12 frame. We want a 10 frame. Okay, about 30 more seconds to practice. Learning how to make a 10 frame. 3 steps. Rectangle, slice down the middle, then make your capital H. Oh, it's 4 steps. And then slice one time on either side of the H. Once on the left and once on the right. And then count your spots. Make sure you have exactly 10. Ooh, you guys are good. All right, you can also do this on paper. Yes, Olmo. Oh, that looks so perfect. Awesome. Awesome. I think yours is better than mine. That's great. Oh, Arna's going to make one on paper too. What a great idea. Hi, Arna.
I also drew on the screen.
Oh, okay, great. Good work. All right, my loves, are we ready to begin? Let's do the Kahoot. So let's stop sharing this and go over to our Kahoot. I'm ready. It's ready. Let's find the code. Okay, you should be able to see the code. It is 346-8345. Nice, Arna. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we're going to join this Kahoot and practice what we learned in our live lesson, making tens to help solve equations. Oh, Yeleni, that was fast. Ooh, Capricorn. It's Capricorn. I love that. Love it so much. Who is that? Ava Marie? Yes, it is. Ooh, Arna's in. So what are we doing today, Miss Cruz? We're going to practice what we learned. Oh, there's Jackson. We're going to practice what we learned today about changing the equations so that we can make tens and then add what's left over. So we're going to borrow from one add end to build up the first add end into a 10. Then you have to rewrite the equation. Remember, there's several steps involved. So after we decompose and borrow, then we rewrite the equation. I'm ready to start. If you are, you can join at any time. Let's get started. See if you can tell me how to make a 10 when you are solving your problems. Okay, first question is, look, they already made a 10. Tap your 10 and count on the rest. And if you said 12, holy guacamole, that was fast.
I did not even get a chance to guess.
What happened? Why was that so fast? Let's try another one. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wonder if this is set to be super fast, which is totally fine because you do have to be able to tap your 10. So can I mention something to you guys? If it's already a 10, you don't have to recount them. Just tap it and say 10 and then count on the rest. Like this, 10, 11, 12. If you need to recount 10, you don't know how many are in a 10 frame. If it's filled in, don't recount them. Just call it 10 and count on the rest. So this is why it's so fast, because look at this, what you have to do next. Are you ready, Elmo? It's going to go so fast. Are you guys ready? Tap your 10. 10 plus one more is, if you said 11, oh, we got to get even faster. You got it right. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys know what to do now, though. Get ready. Here comes
Still
the
did
next
not
one.
get one chance.
Do
it
it
was
even
so
faster.
fast.
If you tap your 10 and count on it.
Can't you make it even slow? Because it's so fast for me.
Who's talking, Jackson?
Yeah, it's so fast for me.
Okay, I want you to try this one before I make any adjustments, dude. Try it. The 10's full, so all you need to do is count on the rest, right? So how fast is that? 10, 11. That's so fast. I want you to try that on the next one. It's already going to be 10, so just count on the rest. On your mark, get set, go. 10 plus one more. Whoa, we got more people in. That's right.
I finally got
you got it. 11, you got it right. It's just one more, not two more. Just one more. Okay, here comes the next one. Who's faster? On your mark, get set. 10. Yes. If you said 12, you got it right. Remember, it's a full 10. It's filled in. It's already been.
right again.
Hey, Jackson, let me finish. It's already filled in. It's a 10, so you don't have to recount them. Okay, now I noticed that we have a couple that are making boo-boo. Do you know why? They're only counting the red dots in the first frame, but that frame has already borrowed. Okay, it's already become a 10. So you have to take the whole frame, call it a 10, and count on the rest. That's why it should say 12, not 10. So whoever picked 10 is not seeing that it's a full filled in frame already. All right, it's already borrowed. It's already done. Let's try the next one. Who's the fastest one in the land? On your mark, get set. Tap your 10 and count on. 10. Yeah, oh, you listen to me. I love it when people listen. That's awesome. 10 and then just 2 more. Beautiful. Whoa, you guys are great. Let's do the next one. On your mark, get set. Tap your 10 and go. Oh, so it was a full 10 and it just had 2 more. 10, 11, 12. All right, so if you said 12, you got it right. Let's do the next one. On your mark, get set. Go. 10. If you said 12, you got it right. Who said 15? So it has a 10 and then it had 2 more dots down below. 10, 11, 12. I think you guys are going to get the next one. On your mark. Get, Christina, this is crazy, isn't it? It's so fast. On your mark. Get set. Go. Wow. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That was amazing. So you tapped your 10 and you just had 1 more. 10 plus 1 more is 11. That's so easy. 10, 11. Okay. Wow, look at those scores. Everybody's on the board now. Fabulous. Here comes, oh, we're almost done. 4 more. Go. Wow, you're right. If you said 10 and then 1 more is 11, you got it. You're right. Ooh, my goodness, you guys are faster than me. Here comes the next one. On your mark, get set, go. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take you all out for virtual ice cream. Everybody, put your scoops on. Scoop of vanilla, scoop of chocolate, scoop of strawberry. And now what do you want on top? Whipped cream. Shh. And eat it up. Yum, 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 yum. Here comes the next one, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. On your mark, get set, go. Yes. Wow. What do we want on our ice cream now? Sprinkles. Put your vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whipped cream. Shh, and now sprinkle and eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum. All right, let's do the last couple of problems. Oh my goodness. Where's my fire extinguisher? Okay, here we go. 2 more. Go. Yes. Oh my goodness, I think you guys have discovered something incredible. The reason why we build 10s is to become so fast. Mrs. Cruz, I get it now. When you make a 10 and add on what's left, it makes you faster. It's more fluent. Woo, look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, this is the last one. It's the last one. We're going to say goodbye after this, okay? Okay. But then you have gone and learned how to do made a 10 frame. You know how to draw it. And you learned that making a 10 makes things so much faster when you are adding. All right, here it goes. Last one. Yes. Woohoo! All right, what do we put on? Ava Marie, what do we put on our ice cream now?
Cherry.
Yay! Okay, let's do it, guys. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whipped cream, sprinkles, and a cherry on top. Eat it up. Yum, 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 yum. Fabulous. I am so proud of you. I think that you guys now understand why Mrs. Cruz is so excited about making tens. Right, Jackson? Now you know why, right? So important. That's why we had to go fast because it makes it faster. Hi, Arna.
My score is 1,106.
Wow, that's a nice score. You can practice this at home too. Okay, you can do all sorts of races to find out if you have a 10. Now that you know how to make a 10 frame, you can do this game on your own, right? Yeah. All right, guys. So now let me stop sharing because we're finished. Do you have any questions before I say something important? Arna?
In the last piece, why was it 11 and we have to press the red one?
Yeah. Did you notice that? And like a lot of the problems actually added up to 11 and 12. That would have been funny if they threw in a 11 plus 80.
No, it's like I mean, in the last, it was keep 11 and we have to press the red button.
Oh, was it backwards? I didn't even notice. So
Going the same.
here's what I want to say that's super important to you guys. Super important. And I don't know if you have worked on module 6 or getting closer to it, but without looking at your grades, oh, I like that. You can use make a 10 to subtract. Subtraction and addition are related to each other. So if you can make a 10 to add, you know you can also make a 10 when you need to subtract. That's right. So if I had 76 minus 8, I can subtract down. That's right. And make a 10 based on that. So 76 minus 8, the 6 and the 8 can get together and make a 10. That's right. So there are ways to do subtraction using the make a 10 strategy that you will see in module 6. So pay attention to that and you'll learn how to do it. All right, loves, we're all done.
Bye.
No school tomorrow.
Bye.
Nice job, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Nan. Bye, Alma. Bye, Ava. Bye, Yalini. Bye, Jackson. Bye, Arna.
Bye. I went on the Kahoot.
You sure did. Good work. Bye, Jackson.